Alright class, this is Brian. I'm just going to do a quick video on the second part of chapter 5-5. The first part, which Mr. Wynn talked to you guys about was, if you're given three sides, does it make a triangle? Right, that's the first part he talked about today. And essentially you just add the two smallest side. If you add the two smallest side and it's greater than the third side, then it works. Okay, it has to be greater than. If it's equal, it won't work. So that's when you're given three sides. So now on the back side, you'll be given only two sides, and you're gonna find the third side. Okay, so we're gonna let x equal the third side. So we're gonna show you how to see what the third side has to be in order for it to create a triangle. So this little bit.ly link here, you can go to it if you want, but I'm just gonna show you guys here so you guys don't have to. So let's set this out, 5 and 11, okay? This is the bit.ly link over here. 5 and 11, right? 5 and 11. Okay. So here's a triangle. Let's make it 5. Where's 5? 5. Let me make this, let's make the orange 11. Does this work? Yeah, it kind of works. Okay, so look here. So we have 5 and 11. We're gonna play around with the third side, okay? So we have 5 and 11. Okay, it will always form a triangle until, it's kind of a weird image there. Let me try to switch this up. Let's make green 11. Okay, let's make blue 11. I'm trying to make it so the picture shows nicely. Let's make this 5. Okay, that's better. Okay, so look here. Okay, that's better. So look here, it's still a triangle, it's still a triangle. When does it not become a triangle? Okay, depending on the third side. Ooh, okay, 6.1 is still a triangle, which makes sense because if we look closely, right, 6.1 plus 5 is greater than 11, right? If it's 6, bam, it won't work. Okay, so if it's 6, it won't work. Okay, 6.1 works, right? But when it's 6, it does not exist. And then let's see where else. Let's see how high can we go. Still a triangle, still a triangle, still a triangle. Whoa. Oh, when it's 16, it doesn't work. 15.9 works. Okay, 16, it doesn't work. And I think we said it was 6, right? So 16 and 6. Anything less than 6, it won't work. Anything greater than 16, it won't work. Okay, so let's go back to our notes here. The least possible third side, the least, right? It has to be greater than 6, so we know that. It has to be greater than 6. Okay, it can't be 5.9, it won't work. It can't be 6, it won't work, right? The largest has to be less than 16, right? So 15.9. So let's put number 1 and number 2 together to combine the range. So your x has to be greater than 6, but it has to be less than 16. Okay. This is what we call the minimum and the maximum, right? In this case here, what's the relationship then? Like, how do we get 6 and 16? Let's find a shortcut for any triangle. How does 5 and 11 relate to 6 and 16? Well, the answer is, to get 6, you actually take the difference, right? Here's the difference of the two numbers. Difference is less than x, and then the sum, right? That's how you find those two numbers. So it turns out, given the two sides of a triangle, so any two sides, the third side will be greater than the difference of the two sides, and it'll be less than the sum of the two sides. So all you need to know about this formula here is that you subtract and you add. Okay, easy stuff. So let's do a quick example. Number 4 here, find the range of values for the third side. So again, you're given two sides. You're going to take the difference set up this inequality. The difference, 6 minus 1. Always put the bigger number first. Okay, 6 minus 1, x, and this is 6 plus 1. So 5 and 7. Okay, so x has to be greater than 5, and x has to be less than 7 for this triangle to work. Oh, that's it. For this one here, the difference, 18 minus 12, 6, and it has to be less than 30. Okay, so this will guarantee that the third side will work out. That is the range. And then lastly, right, you can do this on your own if you want. Okay, you can hit pause, do your thing. But you simply just subtract them. 5.5 minus 1.5 is 4. Less than x, less than 7. That's it. Okay, this proof you don't have to do. But that's it, right? 5.5 and 5.3, they're pretty quick, just quick relationships. And good luck with your homework. And tomorrow we're just going to review a lot, okay?